In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit or change the name of your Facebook page. The process is very simple, so let's get started. First of all, let me show you the page where I am going to make changes. So this is the page, Pip's Cartoon Adventure, and I wanted to change the name of this page. So to do that, first of all, we will have to click on that icon and account icon, and from here I will go towards the settings and privacy, then I will go towards the settings section. Now on the sidebar menu you will see different options, so scroll down. Instead of performance, go to the audience and visibility, and from here go to the page setup. And now on the page setup you will see there is an option to change the name of our page. To change the name of our page, click on name, and here on the name you will have to click on the edit. And now let's change the name. So instead of Pip's Cartoon Adventure, I wanted to rename it with Horror with Sam. After typing the name, click on review changes, and now you will have to type the password of your Facebook page, not the Facebook page, your Facebook profile, and then click on request change. Now wait for a moment and let it make its refreshing process complete. So now our page's name have been updated, but it is not visible here right now. So to check it, we will have to refresh this page. Then wait for a moment again, and after refreshing you will see our name has been changed. So if I go back towards our main profile, so you can see our name have been changed here. It is also changed from Pip's Cartoon Adventure to Horror with Sam. And also if I show you by opening the main profile, so you can see our name is changed here as well. So in this way you can change or update the name of your Facebook page. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and follow the profile. Thank you very much.